guys, me again. Let's do a math problem of the day. Understand, that means get the information, get the 411. Plan how you're gonna solve the equation or the problem. Okay, solve it. This is where your equation goes, and then we're gonna check it with our number line. Kudos to Dyson's dad for showing him a number line. Kind of a cool thing. I saw that. Share that, please. All right, here we go. So let's say that Mrs. Sherman baked, which I love to bake. Let's say I baked a little more than a dozen. You know, dozen's 12. Let's say I made 15 cookies. So I'll just do mine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I like to show 15 in groups of 5. So 5 and 5 is 10, and then 5 more is 15. Now I always taught you, it's a good idea to number, just so you don't, make a mistake, because sometimes we might draw too fast, and then the answer will not be the correct answer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and number these. Okay, so just double check, 5 and 5 is 10, and 5 more is 15. Now, again, when you do tally marks, I showed you this earlier. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Nicholas? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 and 5 is 10. And 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 15. 5, 10, 15. Okay? So here's the situation. So I baked 15 cookies, but somebody, who I will not mention, ate 6 of them. Now, if they ate 6 of them, remember how the way I taught you is if we draw the 6 over here, we might get confused. So if you know that 6 have been eaten, then common sense tells you they're missing. So I'm going to put minus 6 here, but I'm going to come over, I'm going to cross out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then look what's left. See 9. Now, let's do our equation. Started with 15. Okay, we started with 15 cookies. So 15 minus 6, because that's what we crossed off. That's how many we're missing when I checked the cookie jar, equals, and we said the answer is 9. This is equals. Remember, that means is. Okay, equals means is. So 15 take away 6 is 9, and that is the same as 9. They have to balance. So let's go to our number line. We'll circle 15. Let's take 6 hops backwards. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and there is the answer. You could also start with 15, punch it, and count backwards 6 till you get to 9. So this is a very straightforward subtraction problem. Okay, we know that 6 are missing, and the way it's easier for me, if you have another way that's easier, you go ahead and use it. I always feel it's easier just to cross out, come back over here and cross out what's missing, and just make sure you have that minus sign. Okay, minus, and that means take away. So this is a subtraction. Ooh, there's that T-I-O-N. Love that. Subtraction problem. All right? Okay, practice some. Shermanator out.